So it's November 1st. I hadn't really planned many videos for November, and I've been watching a lot of vlogs, so I decided I would vlog for November. I'll probably vlog a little every day and then post it like at the end of the week or something, just combine them. So yeah, today I am working, so I just have to get dressed, let Rex outside before I go to work, and then go to work. Good morning! I wanted to vlog every day for November. I already didn't vlog yesterday. So yesterday I worked and then I got my teeth cleaned and had a dentist appointment. And then we went out to eat for Vietnamese. I had Vietnamese, Freedom had Chinese. And then we went and got some stuff from Canadian Tire. We had to get a cover for Freedom's motorcycle and I needed a new wiper blade. So yeah, it snowed yesterday, which is very exciting for me. I'm just getting ready for work right now. I have to leave the house in an hour. But I like to have time to like sit, enjoy my coffee, scroll on my phone, and what have you. So I already watered the plant that needed to be watered today. And I have 3 progress pictures that I need to take for my plants. I'm gonna make breakfast, make a coffee, and just enjoy. I already started my Christmas gifts. I already started my Christmas gifts. So that's exciting. Yeah, I'll probably work some more on Christmas gifts before I go to work, and that's that. I might actually vlog after work today because I haven't vlogged after work any days, just before work on the 1st and now the 3rd. What else can I update you on? I had so many trick-or-treaters on Halloween. I ended up only having like 7 candies left, which is crazy. And yeah, I don't really have much to say other than that. Just putting on my rings. I wear this bracelet every day, Evil Eye, and my rings, my watch. Am I gonna wear earrings today? Nah, I think that's it. Okay, I'm gonna go make breakfast and a coffee, and maybe I'll see you later on today. Good morning. So it is Friday. Clearly I haven't vlogged very much this week, but I'm gonna show you what I did yesterday. I wish I would have vlogged it, but I didn't, so I'll show you the final outcome. So previously I did like a DIY shorts on making these, and there's one over there, these things, and then I decided I'm gonna change them out seasonally. So these are kind of my winter ones, which I did. I changed them out yesterday. So I did post on Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen. But yeah, I just do these seasonally, because how pretty are they? Like, oh. And then I also might need to put on a light here. Oops. This tea cart my mom gave me and I just set up yesterday, which I also posted. But oh, how beautiful is this? It's like vintagey, and then we have this nice coffee bar. And then I also kind of cleaned up my pantry, and I put the spices in that I had in bags. I put them in jars and they're so nice. I'm very proud of it. So yeah, it is 7:15. I think I'm pretty well finished my kitchen. I just need to I have some like decor ideas, which I'll do, but for like the big things, I think I'm done. I just, yeah, have some decor ideas to move around. So yeah, that's what I did yesterday. I do still want to, I need to change curtains. So I think I'll change the ones in here and flop them for the ones in the living room or something like that. But yeah, the kitchen is done. This bathroom is messy, and I think I want to change this curtain. I gotta figure out a place to put this plant, and I have some like decorating to do in here. Some decorating and organizing. But the kitchen, I love. That bathroom I'll get to. And the living room is pretty much done because my sister gave me a chair. My boss gave me a couch and a chair, and then I'm able to slowly pay her for them. So I don't have very much money left on those. Yeah, so I just gotta switch out my curtains, I think, because the brown curtains in the living room don't really go, so I gotta put the gray ones in there. Anyhow, I'm hoping to actually vlog after work today. So yeah, I will hopefully see you then. Have a great rest of your day. Hello! So I'm home from work. I cleaned up the kitchen yesterday and the hall closet. I just got like, hey! This cat's trying to claw stuff. I just got the winter stuff up from downstairs and put away the summer stuff. And I cleaned up the kitchen, which I showed you this morning. I changed those like sconces, and I set up a coffee bar on the tea cart, and I put those bags with spices in jars, so they're very pretty. So I do still need to switch out the curtains, and I wanted to clean the downstairs bathroom, or the main floor bathroom, I guess. So that's what I'm going to be doing right away, and that's pretty much it. So you guys saw the bathroom before I redecorated it, and so I just want to show you how it is right now with Christmas decorations. Before I redecorated it, so I changed the curtains, and as you saw, there's. So I changed the curtains. I put up this sign. Those stayed the same, and then on the back of the toilet, I've got a candle, my fiddly fig, and a reed diffuser. And then Santa soap, and then JLo perfume that we use as air freshener. These signs, pastry, I believe. This little decoration. I do have tea lights, but just for safety. Got them like that because Reese got her tail on fire. And then this tea towel and these Christmas signs. And that is this room. Okay, so good morning. I have my coffee here. And I just made my lunch for work today. It is November 7th. I don't think I vlogged on the weekend, but I was really quite busy. I cleaned my entire house and organized and everything like that. And then kind of redecorated, and that was that was throughout the week. As you guys saw, I made this like coffee stand. So I did that throughout the week, and then I did the rest of my house on Saturday. And then yesterday I actually decorated for Christmas. So I didn't put anything outside yet or put up a tree yet. So we get a real tree, so we have to go get it. And I don't want to put anything outside until after November 11th. But I do have my wreath, which I was thinking of doing a little DIY video on. And then, because I have to make it, and then I do have to put up Christmas lights, and then just the trees left, but all like the decor I already have up. It's 7:30. I'm going to make myself some breakfast. Maybe after work today, I'll give you guys a little tour of all the Christmas stuff that I've decorated with. But yeah, I'm just going to make myself some breakfast, and maybe I'll see you before work, maybe I'll see you after work. Okay, bye. Hello. So it's after work. It's actually 5:21, so I've been off for almost an hour and a half. I'm currently making supper. I think Freedom should be home soon. I did the dishes, and now I am just cooking supper. So I have some pork chops, this like home grill, and then I have rice and veggies in the rice cooker. I have to be really careful not to show my table because I have some Christmas presents. So yeah, I'm going to finish cooking. It should be done right away. So I'm going to finish cooking, and then I will probably see you in the next vlog. I think that's about it for this vlog. Kind of boring, but that's okay. I'll see you in the next vlog. Okay, bye.